cash is disappearing in America. The way we earn, spend, and save money in the US is changing faster than ever. From AI budgeting apps to digital wallets replacing cash to the Federal Reserve exploring a digital dollar, the future of money is already here. But what does this mean for your wallet? In this video, we'll break down the future of money in the United States and what everyday Americans need to know to stay ahead. Digital wallets are becoming the new normal. In the US, digital wallets are quickly becoming the standard way to pay. Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, you name it. In fact, a growing number of American businesses now prefer digital payments over cash. Walk into a coffee shop in New York, Los Angeles, or Chicago, and chances are the cashier barely touches dollar bills anymore. For Americans, the convenience is obvious. No fumbling for change, no lost wallets, and faster checkouts. But here's what many people don't realize. Every tap or swipe leaves a digital footprint. Banks, tech companies, and payment apps now know exactly when, where, and how you spend your money. So while digital wallets save time, they also raise questions about data privacy. AI becomes your financial assistant. Artificial intelligence is moving into your bank account. Americans already use budgeting apps like Mint, Rocket Money, and Empower, but 2025 takes it to the next level. AI-driven tools now analyze your spending, set savings goals, and even invest automatically. Picture this. An artificial intelligence app notices you're overspending on food delivery through Uber Eats or DoorDash. It sends you a gentle alert, reminding you to cook at home. Or it rounds up your spare change at Target and invests it into the stock market without you even noticing. This technology could be a financial game changer, especially for Americans living paycheck to paycheck. But remember, the more control you give to AI, the more personal data you're handing over. And no AI can fully understand your personal values or long-term goals. The US Digital Dollar, CBDCs. One of the biggest changes on the horizon for America is the possible launch of a central bank digital currency, better known as a CBDC, or the digital dollar. The Federal Reserve has been studying how a digital dollar might work. Imagine the cash in your pocket, but stored on your phone in a government-backed wallet. Payments would be instant, cross-country transfers could happen in seconds, and counterfeiting would be nearly impossible. Sounds great, right? But here's the concern. A digital dollar could give the government unprecedented control. Every transaction would be trackable. Some experts warn that money could even become programmable, meaning the government could limit how or where stimulus checks are spent. For Americans who value financial freedom, this raises big questions about privacy and control. Crypto and DeFi in the US. While Washington debates a digital dollar, millions of Americans are already turning to crypto. Bitcoin and Ethereum remain popular in the US, especially as inflation eats away at savings. For many younger Americans, crypto is seen as digital gold or a ticket to financial independence outside the traditional banking system, but crypto is still risky. We've all seen headlines about bankrupt exchanges and scams. The US government is tightening regulations, and that could make crypto safer in the long run, but also less anonymous. For everyday Americans, crypto offers opportunity, but it's not a get-rich-quick solution. What this means for your wallet. So what does all this mean for you as an American? Here are the key takeaways. 1. Expect to use less cash. Many US stores, especially in big cities, already prefer contactless payments. 2. Digital wallets are no longer optional. They're becoming part of daily life. 3. AI tools can help you save, invest, and spend smarter, but you're still responsible for the big financial choices. 4. Keep an eye on the digital dollar. If the Fed launches it, it could reshape how Americans get paid, pay taxes, and even receive benefits. 5. Crypto remains an option, but it's risky. If you invest, be cautious and treat it like a high-risk asset. The future of money in the US is digital, fast, and connected. But it also comes with new challenges, less privacy, more reliance on technology, and bigger government involvement. The best thing you can do right now is stay informed and adapt early. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more personal finance insights, and share this with a friend who still believes cash is king. The future of your wallet depends on it.